My name is Dominic Moxon. I'm the Technical Director at FAI. Today I'm going to talk to you about the BMW N47 timing chain kit that we offer to the market, part number TCK133C. In the past 12 months or so, OE have redesigned the tensioner, which we have replicated, and I just want to discuss the issues that can arise with a new tensioner. The new design is physically longer, but more importantly, the thread length is also longer than the original design. The consequence of that is that if you're fitting this kit to an older engine, which used the earlier tensioner with a shorter thread, the threads inside this hole at the base can get gummed up with oil and carbon debris. Therefore, if you try to fit this longer threaded tensioner, it can jam and can break if you try to tighten it too much. The way to avoid that is to run a M22 by 1.5mm pitch tap through this hole to clean the debris out, to ensure that the new tensioner will fit easily and operate correctly. Should you need any more information, you can get this bulletin on our website, and it is linked to our part number TCK133C, or you can look on the reference TB0036. I hope you found this informative. Thank you very much, and please visit our website for any other information you need.